Hello friends, welcome on Easy Health Solutions. Today you will know about the side effects of taking paracetamol tablet on a regular basis. As you all know, paracetamol is used to treat fever and joints pain. Paracetamol is generally a safe non-prescription pain reliever. And for this reason, many people use this medicine on a regular or daily basis. And just like any type of medication, taking too much paracetamol can be dangerous. There are many negative or side effects linked with the use of paracetamol. If you are taking this medicine in high dosage or without the prescription of your doctor, then you must be aware of side effects of using paracetamol. The very first side effect of using paracetamol is an allergic reaction, which can cause a rash and swelling on your skin, face, and even in your throat. So, in case of throat swelling, consult with your doctor as soon as possible. Flushing, low blood pressure, and a fast heartbeat are another side effects of taking paracetamol regularly. Another possible side effect of taking paracetamol is low platelets and white blood cells count. Taking paracetamol tablet on a regular basis may result in liver damage that might be fatal and difficult to treat. Friends, in the United States, paracetamol overdose is the leading cause of liver failure. According to British researchers, chronic users of paracetamol means those who typically take large daily doses over several years may increase their risk of death or develop complications in the kidneys, intestines, and the heart. Another possible side effect of taking paracetamol is increased risk of gastrointestinal bleeding. Regular use of paracetamol tablets may also cause the problem of gastrointestinal ulcers. Long term use of paracetamol may also cause heart problems and other cardiovascular problems. Taking paracetamol on a regular basis may also result in poor kidney functions. Regular use of paracetamol is also linked with obesity, increased risk of diabetes, and high blood pressure. Friends, our body is blessed with good bacteria, and these bacteria protect our body from various types of infections and diseases. These bacteria are also essential for maintaining our immunity power. Friends, paracetamol is very harmful for these good bacteria. So, if you are taking paracetamol tablet on a daily basis, then it means you are losing your immunity power day by day. Taking paracetamol during your pregnancy may give rise to some serious side effects. So, if you are a pregnant woman, then please consult with your doctor before taking or using paracetamol. Taking paracetamol on a regular basis can irritate your gastrointestinal tract, which may result in problems like upset stomach, indigestion, nausea, vomiting, and abdominal pain or cramps. Problem of dehydration due to excessive sweating is another possible side effect of taking paracetamol tablet on a regular basis. So friends, avoid self-medication and consult with your doctor before using this drug. Also, if you have any underlying health condition, then please tell your doctor about it in advance. So friends, these were some common side effects of taking paracetamol on a regular basis. That's all for today. Please like this video, share this video, and please subscribe to this channel. Thanks.